Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 28th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics once again. We got a couple systems to be talking about. You can see here this little system is kind of well raggedy right in this area here, well not defined. Still has a 20% chance of development here. This little cluster of showers and storms, the National Hurricane Center was looking at it earlier, but they have discontinued it because nothing looks to occur. The only reason they thought it might occur because of this frontal boundary here. A vigorous tropical wave moving off the African coast. Need to monitor for further development as well. Would not be surprised this system could develop right behind this system here later on down the road. If anything develops in this region here, that 20% chance of development over the next few days and into early parts of next week. So we got plenty of time to continue to watch this system and see if it develops into anything. If it does become a system, the next name on the list will be Francine, and then the following system, if this system here gets going, it will be called Gordon. We got some activity down in the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to have to monitor that for possible development. I would not rule that out. Also, we got a lot of development in the northwestern Caribbean Sea and also off the Florida coast as well. So we're going to have to monitor the Gulf of Mexico, the northwestern Caribbean Sea, this system here, and this one here as well that's moving off the African coast. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue our forecast on down the road. Alright, here's your tropical weather page. We're going to take a look at that system here. As you can see right now, it has a 0% chance of development. But here is the 20% chance of development I was talking about in that earlier video there. And also that first slide we started off with as well. Alright, let's move on to the Watches Warning Advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see here we have a lot of heat advisories stretching from up here around Delaware to Pennsylvania to Virginia, North Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio. Also a little bit into portions of Missouri and also Illinois. Also we have some air quality alerts for the Carolinas. Also in the portion of Tennessee, also in northwest Georgia, and also portion of western Tennessee. A little bit in Indiana as well. And also we have some special weather statements for Kentucky, to Indiana, to Illinois, to portion of Missouri as well. Flood watch is also in effect for you guys here in areas of New Mexico, excuse me. We got tornado watch for the Dakotas, with some ongoing tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings as well. Red flag warning for South Dakota, Nebraska, and also in the portion of Wyoming. We have some winter weather advisory, freeze warning, frost advisory for you guys in portions of Idaho and also Montana, wind advisories as well, and also more air quality alerts in Idaho also. Alright, the Hawaiian chain island got tropical storm warning around the island, small craft advisory around the Alaska area, also from Oregon State to California, and a little bit across portions of the Delaware, New Jersey, DC area as well. We're going to take a look at the HRRR model. We're going to start it off tomorrow at around 11 a.m. Alright, well 1 p.m. excuse me. Alright, you can see we already got a line of showers and storms stretching from South Canada, stretching through portions of Minnesota to the Dakotas, back down into portions of Colorado. As we go forward, you can see that line continues to progress to the east. I'm going to stop it at 8 p.m. Got a pretty vigorous line of showers and storms off of that low pressure system, 1,004 millibars over South Canada, and the cold front stretching all the way through Minnesota, all the way back down into a portion of Kansas and Nebraska, and also North Texas. Also we got some scattered showers and storm developing over toward Pennsylvania, West Virginia, down into the mountains of North Carolina. And there's that little activity you've seen on the radar across Texas. We roll this thing forward. A lot of the activity continues to press to the east. This is at 5 a.m. on Friday morning. We got low pressure system 10,001 millibar over portions of areas of Canada. Cold front stretching from there through Wisconsin, down through Iowa, back down into North Texas. There's that little cluster of showers and storms down here in portions of Texas and Louisiana. Still got activity from New York State down to eastern North Carolina and also the coastal waters, Bahamas, Florida regions as well. All right, we continue to move forward. This is at 9 a.m. Let's go ahead and get to the end of the run. This is at 2 p.m. 1,000 millibar low pressure still located over Canada. Showers and storms in Canada stretching through northern Michigan. It's just becomes scattered activity across Illinois, back down to Missouri, and back into Texas. More widespread showers and storms as the area of low pressure tries to develop in a portion of East Texas and Louisiana. More activity in the Gulf of Mexico, also down toward the Bahamas, South Florida, Florida Keys. Scattered activity across portions of North Georgia and North Carolina, and then more activity in the Atlantic coastal waters. Should be coming up here. Here it is. Alright, we have a marginal rift across the Virginia down into North Carolina, stretching from Washington, D.C. to Raleigh. Then we got more activity from Duluth, Michigan, all the way down toward just north of Garden City. More slight risk from Minneapolis down toward Des Moines. Slight risk in the yellow. Let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2% in this general vicinity here. Also, let's take a look at the damage and winds. We have a 5 and 15% respectively in these areas here. And also the large hail. Pretty much same locations. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Tell your family, friends, neighbors about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Love to have them. Like these videos, share these videos. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And also have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.